Hello students, welcome to the class 4th subject English. Let's continue Unit 3 Birthday Gift Boat. Now let's see Activity 3. Draw the picture of a boat in a bathtub and color it. So students, you can draw a boat in a bathtub like this. Now let's move to the next activity 4. You know that we can make a paper boat. Now make a list of the other things that you and your friend can make out of paper. Okay students, so there are two boxes are given. The first one, things that you can make, and the second one is things that your friend can make. So students, we have to make a list that which you can make from paper and which things that your friend can make from paper, and you have to write in given box. So students, this activity you have to do by yourself, but here I gave you the names that we can make from paper. So you have to write in the first box the things that you can make: sheep, bird, cap, flower and aeroplane. And students, you can also write fish, hand puppet, finger puppet, balloon, windmill in the things that your friend can make. So students, all these things can be made from the paper. So there are so many other things that we can make out of a paper. So you think that which thing you can make from paper, and you have to write here by yourself. Now let's see activity 5. Who said to whom? Let's see. Some sentences are given downside, and we have to write that who said these sentences and to whom that sentences was said. Now let's see. First sentence is, but does it really sell? So students, can you say who said this sentence, to whom he said? So you can write here, Dhruv said this sentence to Jia. Now the second sentence is, you will spoil my lovely boat. So students, who said this sentence? Jia said this sentence to Dhruv. Okay, now the third one is, look at my boat. So students, who said this sentence to whom? Jia said this sentence to other children. And the last fourth one is, don't worry, you shall play with my boat. So students, can you say who said this sentence to whom he said? So you can write here, Dhruv said this sentence to Jia because Jia's boat was broken. So Dhruv said this sentence to Jia, don't worry, you shall play with my boat. Okay students, now let's see activity 6. Find words which end with ed and ing. One example is given for you. Now read the story again, then write the words in the following table. So students, in this activity you have to find the words which end with ed and ing. Here one example is given, which end with ed and ing. For example, sailed, and going. So, students, by reading that story again, then we have to find words and then we have to write it in this following table. Okay, students, let's see. Here, sailed and going are already written. So, we have to write here the words which end with ed like called, replied, watched, swished, rushed, and heard. And we have to also write here the words which end with ing like sailing, playing, raining, sitting, singing, and holding. Now, here other exercise is also given downside. Let's see. Now make 5 meaningful sentences using these words. So students, here we have to make 5 sentences from the words we wrote in the above table. So students, here one example is given for you. The boat sailed away into the night. So students, here we used the word sailed. So students, the first sentence is she called me to sew her clothes. So students, here we will use the word called. Now next sentence is my brother is playing with me every day. So students, here we will use the word playing. Now the next third one is I rushed to the window to see the rain. So students, here we use the word rushed. Now the fourth sentence is Prem was singing a poem last night. So students, here we will use the word singing. Okay students, now the last sentence is we heard the sound of elephant in the zoo. So students, here we will use the word heard. Okay students, so you can make some more sentences from the words given upside and words which you can find from the story. So you have to find some more words which end with ed and ing and make some more meaningful sentences.